Senior 2, Lecture number 3, month of March, topic Ethics. Dignity of work. Earning halal by any means or as long as no haram is involved, such is regarded by the Islam. It means every work that a person is doing in his life to earn the living, it is regarded as the most respectable in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Therefore, earning halal by any means is the responsibility of a believer. Islam dislikes idleness and inactivity. It means to sit at home and wait for the money to come. The status of man never lowered if he is involved in any kind of hard work. Any kind of work is regarded in Islam, and we will discuss a number of Holy Prophet example for the lower possible work. It is prohibited to beg or receive charities unnecessarily. It means a person who has enough money in his account or at his home, or besides that, he is asking others for the money, this is strictly prohibited. Holy Prophet said, "No one eats better food than that which he eats or earns from the work of his own hand." It means earning by one's hand or try to do the hard work to earn the living, and the food out of that hard work is supposed to be halal. Once inquired about a man who spends whole time in the mosque, he said, "Who feeds him?" Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked the companions, and companions replied, "His brother." Then Holy Prophet said, "Then his brother is better than him." It means if a person has enough good health, he knows how to work, he is physically fit and mentally fit, he should work for his living. He should not be dependent on anyone. This is a practical demonstration of a number of work that is conducted in our society. For example, being a shepherd, being a normal laborer, being a doctor, being a lawyer, or any other profession, whatever is convenient for a person to carry. He must carry to earn his living. There are a number of Holy Prophet examples. Since childhood, he was a shepherd. Later, he served as a trader. He helped in the construction of the Holy Kaaba, even in the Mosque Quba, and the construction of the Masjid Nabawi. He took part in digging the trench. He did all kind of housework. He was head of the estate of Medina, but he used to repair his shoes, mending clothes, and other tasks. Therefore, any lowest possible work when done by Holy Prophet himself, then as his ummah, as a believing person, it is our responsibility not to beg, not to ask other for our necessities. It is also reported by Holy Prophet that it is better for one of you to take his rope, bring a load of firewood upon his back, and sell it, than that he should beg from people, whether they give him anything or refuse him. It means it does not matter that those people are going to help you or not. What you have to do, you have to put your part in earning the halal money. Next main heading is the pollution. Every contaminating and dirty environment is due to the pollution. What pollution is actually? Pollution is generally regarded as all the garbage, as all the dirt which is in our atmosphere or in our environment. It destroys mainly the purity of air, water, land, and threatening the survival of all kinds of living, whether the birds, whether the sea animals, whether the forest animals, whether the insects, everyone. It was mainly attributed to the modern technology and industrial advancement that most visible in advanced societies of the West, but nowadays easily seen in third world countries as well. It means pollution used to be a part of only those world who have modern or advanced technologies. But now this pollution can be seen easily in our societies. West who consider to be an advanced society, they also take a number of measures to reduce the pollution. But unfortunately, in our society, no such measures are yet taken. Massive contributions in the pollution is paid by a number of things. For example, air pollution. We can see air pollution is due to the fumes of the factories, due to the pesticides, due to the forest fires, or due to the volcanic eruptions. Next is the major contribution of water pollution. Water pollution is mainly due to the garbage, petroleum, oil spillage, chemicals, animal waste, industrial waste, these all contaminating your water, seawater. Land pollution, there are number of waste, pesticides, deforestation, disposable products, which we are usually throw outside. Noise pollution, this is also one of a kind pollution. It mainly includes traffic, planes, loudspeakers, machinery, people's noise. These altogether makes the environment harmful for living. These discharges infecting the atmosphere, rivers, lakes and oceans. Without any measure, marine life would be damaged soon. Therefore, it is our utmost responsibility to take measures in order to reduce the pollution. There are several ways to remove the pollution. By making your society and your own living clean. It means wherever you are living, in a street, in a colony, in a city, in a country, you have to be very particular about cleaning your society or your surroundings. Number 2, trees may reduce the pollution. Holy Prophet paid great emphasis on cutting the trees unnecessarily. Even during the war, he ordered not to cut the trees those who give fruits. Therefore, planting trees can reduce the pollution. Also, cleanliness is not dependent on an individual effort. It means it is a collective effort, an effort of whole society. Islam enjoins upon everyone to remain clean from outside and inside. From outside, we can take bath, we can do ghusl, we can do wuzu to keep ourselves clean. When Islam instructs us to be clean, it means our surroundings should be clean. Holy Quran says, Allah loves those who keep themselves clean and pure.